Hi guys, welcome back to the PhD Prep Lab channel. So for today's video, we have yet another notification for a training program that is by Regional Center of Biotechnology in New Delhi and in collaboration with University of California in San Diego. So this is their certificate course on data analysis for systems biology. This is basically an advanced training program in data analysis for your systems biology. So this is the official website of RCB, and here they have the simple link for register and apply. They have mentioned that the course will start from 19th January. So now this is going to be a hybrid mode of course. So first the course will start in online mode from 19th of January 2026 to 6th of February. Then it will shift towards the offline mode, which is from 9th of February 2026 to 20th of February 2026. Now let's see what are the other details that they have provided and the other information. So this is the pop-up that says the application deadline is 15th of December 2025 and the seats are very limited. So you have to register as soon as you can. So duration of the course is 3 weeks for online mode and 2 weeks for offline mode. So this is going to be a hybrid format where they will offer you both virtual learning as well as an hands-on lab training. And the training will focus on your genomics, proteomics, transcriptomics, and systems level modeling. It is in collaboration with IBDC RCB and the University of California in San Diego. The timeline that they have mentioned is that the application portal opens from 14th of November 2025. The application deadline is 15th of December 2025 and the course will commence from 19th of January. The life sciences students are eligible. All life science graduates are eligible. The faculties are going to be from UCSD and IBDC personals. The training is going to be 2 weeks in online mode, 3 weeks in online mode, and 2 weeks in offline mode. The fees that they are charging is 15,000 rupees. So it will include your comfortable stay at RCB. Basically, they will provide you a twin sharing room. They will provide you the meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner during the training period, and some sightseeing with guided weekend trips around Delhi's cultural sites. So this is going to be a complete package. That's why they are charging this amount. This includes your accommodation and your meals. So it's a great deal. The highlights that they have mentioned here is that it is going to cover comprehensive genomics training, hands-on practical sessions on real-world exercises using R, Python, Cytoscape, and much more. They're going to be multi-omics integration, advanced tools and technologies like Linux, HPC, modern bioinformatics. Case study based learning is also going to be a part of this training program where you can apply computational methods to real world biological problems, and you will also get access to IBDC, HPC, and data resources. So moving ahead, they have mentioned about the course timings, schedules, and modules overview. So for this is total a 5 week program, like they have mentioned also before that it is a hybrid program. It is going to be 5 week long, and first it includes an online preparatory training and then an on-campus data analysis training. Like they have mentioned the dates for it. Make sure that you note that down. So the first online preparatory training will be of 3 weeks. The daily schedule, they have mentioned that they're going to be live sessions from Monday to Friday. The timings are going to be 2 to 5 p.m. in Indian Standard Times, and the modules that they're going to cover is Python programming, R programming, Linux, shell scripting, applied statistics, HPC, and job submission. Then you will move ahead to your on-campus data analysis training, which is going to be for 2 weeks. So this is going to be at RCB Faridabad, which is in NCR. The timings are going to be from morning 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Then after your lunch break, you will join again from 2 to 5:30 p.m. The modules you're going to cover in your offline mode of training is these are the modules: biological systems, data tools, DNA variant analysis, biological networks, chip sequencing, and much more. There's also going to be a final presentation and seminars sign-offs here. So here they have mentioned who are going to be the faculty members and the instructor for the program. So you can go visit their profile, what they do, where they are working, what are the work that they are interested in, So many much more things you can learn about these amazing scientists and instructors. And if you have any query, you can just send it here. They in the portal itself. They have mentioned their address, email, phone number, everything, every contact and inquiry details are given here. So in case of confusion, you can directly write them down. You can register from this page itself, and you will find the link for for this website in our description box. So make sure you check that out. So this is a very nice opportunity. You are going to get a hybrid training. First, you will be prepared online, and then you will come at the campus to get hands-on experience. So if you're interested, make sure you register yourself. The deadline they have mentioned is 15th of December 2025. And all the best to those who are going to apply. If you have any further doubts, make sure that you write on the comment box and we will surely answer them for you. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure that you have subscribed to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any future notifications from us. And thank you for watching.